So welcome friends in my channel. So today we are going to start a very important chapter, that is elementary mensuration. So in this video we cover some concept and short form of some basic triangle basis problems. So without wasting any time, let's begin. Okay. So our first concept is area. So if in case of a triangle, if the length of base and height are given, then area should be half into base into height. Okay, so in case of any triangle, let a triangle, that is this one, and let's say this is the base and this is the height. If in any problem, if height and base are given, then this formula should be used, that is half into base into height. As we have a problem, let's find the area of a triangle of base 18 and height of 22 semi. Then find out the area. So we have base, that is 18 semi, and height we have 22 semi. So we have the formula to finding area, that is half into base into height. So we have the formula, that is area is equal to half into base into height. Okay, so we have half into 18 into 22, so 198 semi square. Okay, so this is the answer. So if we have, so we have to find out the area. So in case of triangle, we have two different ways. First one is, if the length and base, if the base and height is given, then we have to apply this formula, that is half into base into height. In the second case, we have if only sides are given. Okay, if only three sides of a triangle is given, that is here we have a triangle and given three sides only, that is A, B and C. So in this case, how can we get the area? So in this case, first we have to find out S. S is nothing but A plus B plus C by 2, and formula of area is equal to root over S into S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. Here the condition what? Here the condition is what? That is, condition is, in this case base or height is not given, but the three sides of the triangle are given. So in this case we have to apply this formula. So there are two ways. First one is, when base and height are given, then we have to apply this, and if three sides of a triangle are given, then we have to apply this one. Okay, so we have a problem that find the area of a triangle of sides 51, 52 and 53 semi. Okay, so we have a triangle of three different sides, that is 51, 52 and 53 semi. So we have to find it. So by applying the formula of this one, we have to find out the S. So S is what? That is, S is 51, 53 plus 52 by 2, which gives us 78. Okay, we applied this one. Okay, so we have the value of S, which comes 78. Now we know that is area should be this one, that is root over S into S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. So root over S into S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. By putting the values, we consider this one is A, this one is B and this one is C. Okay, now by putting the values, that is root over 78, that is 78 minus 51, 78 minus 52, also 78 minus 53. Okay, which gives us root over 78 into 27 into 26 into 25, which gives us 1170 semi square. Okay, so we have the answer, that is 1170 semi square. So this is the two ways how to find the area of a triangle. Okay, so there are two ways. If length and base are given, I again said, that is, if length and base are height and base are given, then we have to apply this formula, that is half into base into height. And if there are given three sides, only the three sides of a triangle, then we have to apply this formula. At first we have to evaluate the value of s, that is value of s is nothing but a plus b plus c by 2, and area is root over s into s minus a, s minus b, and s minus c. So by applying this formula we have the answer of this problem. Okay, just look it out carefully. Okay friends, now let's move on to our next problem. Okay, so friends, our next concept is equilateral triangle. So what is equilateral triangle? So in this triangle the length of three sides are same. Is we have a triangle whose three sides are same, that is this one is a. If a b c, then we can say ab is equal to bc is equal to ca. So this is an equilateral triangle. So in this case of equilateral triangle, perimeter is a plus a plus a if the length of the sides are a, that is 3a. Okay, that is side plus side plus side. This gives us perimeter. And what about area? So in this case, area should be root over 3 by 4 into side square. Okay, so this is our formula, root over 3 by 2 into side square. So root over 3 by 4 into side square. So this is the area of equilateral triangle. Let's solve a problem that we have. Find the area of an equilateral triangle of side 12 semi, then find the perimeter. Okay, so we have an equilateral triangle. Sorry for the annoying picture. Okay, so this is 12, this is 12, and also this is 12. Okay, so we have to find out the area and perimeter. So at first perimeter should be perimeter should be 3 into side, that is 3 into a. If this one is a, that is this was 3 into a, it means 3 into 12, which gives us 36 semi. Okay, and we have to find the area. We have the formula of area, that is root over 3 by 4 into side square. So root over 3 by 4 into side square, which gives us root over 3 by 4 into 12 into 12, which gives us 3, that is 36. 3 and 12, 36 root over 3 semi square. So this is our answer. So this is the perimeter and this is the area of the equilateral triangle. So in case of equilateral triangle, the perimeter is side plus side and area is root over 3 by 4 into side square. Okay, let's move on to our next. So friends, in some cases we have to find out the height of an equilateral triangle. So if the sides of the equilateral triangle are a and height is 8, height is h, then height should be written as h is equal to root over 3 by 2 into side. Okay, please ignore the blunder. Okay, so height of an equilateral triangle is root over 3 by 2 into side. So we have area is root over 3 by 2 into side square, and height of an equilateral triangle is what? That is root over 3 by 2 into side. If height is represented as h, that h is equal to root over 3 by 2 into side, or this can be also written root over 3 by 2 into a. That is, we have considered that is the side of the equilateral triangle is a. Okay, so this is the formula. So we have a problem that find the height of an equilateral triangle whose sides are 6 semi. So we have an equilateral triangle of sides are 6 semi. Okay, so we have considered that is a is equal to 6. Then we have the formula that is h is equal to root over 3 by 2 into side. It means root over 3 by 2 into a, which means root over 3 by 2 into 6, which gives us 3. So our answer is 3 root 3. So height of the triangle is root over 3 root 3. Okay, so this is the concept of height of a equilateral triangle. Let's move on to our next concepts. Okay, so here we have to find out the area of an equilateral triangle when height is given. So friends, we also have another process to find out the height of an equilateral triangle. So if height of an, so just look at carefully, okay? If height of an equilateral triangle is h, then area, I again say that is, if height of an equilateral triangle is h, then area is height square by root over 3. This is the short form, okay? So if this is a short form of this equation, okay? So if height of an equilateral triangle is h, then area is height square by root 3. It means h square by root 3. So we have a problem to clear the concept, that is, height of an equilateral triangle is 6 semi, then what is the area of the triangle? It means we have an equilateral triangle of height h, that is h is equal to 6, that is the value of AB. If this one called is AB, then h is equal to 6. Then we have to find out the area. So we have the formula, that is area is equal to h square by root 3. So h means 6 square by root 3, which gives us 36 by root 3. By rationalizing, we can say root 3 into 36 by 3, which gives us 12, that is 12 root 3. Sorry, 12 root 3. So this is our answer. Let me write it clearly. Okay, so this is our answer, that is 12 root 3. So height of an equilateral triangle is this one. So we have gained two formulas to find out the area of an equilateral triangle. So one is root over 3 by 4 into a square, and another one is if height is given, then h square by root 3. Okay, these two equations are valid to find out the area of an equilateral triangle. Okay friends, let's move on to our next problem. So the next concept. Okay, so in this case, let me pull the paper. Okay, so in this case we have isosceles triangles. Okay, so what is isosceles triangle? So here it say any two sides of triangle are same. So in this case, any two sides of a triangle are same. That is, here you can say that is this triangle, this sector, that is this arm and this arm is same, that is A is equal to A and B is different. Okay, so we have to find out the perimeter, height and area. Okay, so here is another diagram, that is, consider A, B and C. Here AB is equal to A, AC is equal to A and BC is equal to B. We split it this one, that is, if this one is D, then BD is equal to B by 2 and CD is equal to B by 2. And we have considered that is height, that is AD, consider as H. Okay, so in this case perimeter. So perimeter of an isosceles triangle is 2A plus B, that is A plus A by B, that is 2A plus B. Okay, height of an isosceles triangle, we have a short form, that is root over A square minus B square by 4. That is, if these sides are A and this is B, then we can say height of an isosceles triangle is root over A square minus B square by 4. This is the short form. Okay, and area of an isosceles triangle is, we have another short form, that is B by 4 root over 4A square minus B square. So area is B by 4 root over 4A square minus B square if A is the equal sides and B is the base or other side. Okay, so area should be B by 4 root over 4A square minus B square, and height is root over A square minus B square by 4, and perimeter is 2A plus B. So we have a problem to clear your concepts. Okay, so here it comes. a base and other side of an isosceles triangle is 10 semi and 13 semi respectively, then find the area and the perimeter. So we have an isosceles triangle. Okay, so here the base is 10 semi. Okay, base is 10 semi and the two equal sides are 13 semis. Okay, then we have to find out the perimeter and area. So first we consider the perimeter. So the perimeter should be, okay, so we have that is B is equal to 10 and A is equal to 13. So that is A is equal to 13 and base is equal to B. So perimeter should be 2A plus B, that is 2 into 10 plus 13, which gives us 36 semi. Okay, and we have another, that is area. So sorry, now we have area. Okay, so we have the formula of area is this one, that is B by 4 root over 4A square minus B square. Okay, now put the formula, that is B means 10 by 4 of root over 4 13 square minus 10 square, which gives us 60 semi square. Okay, so this is the area. Just check it out carefully. Okay, so explain it another way, that is if A, B and C is a isosceles triangle and this is A and also this is A, that is these are equal side, that is AB and AC, and BC is the another side, that is B, and we split it into different parts, that is BD and CD, then we have BD is equal to D by 2 and CD is equal to B by 2. Then the perimeter should be 2A plus B. How? That is A plus A by total BC plus B. Then height is root over A square minus B square. How it comes? Just apply Sridharacharya formula to this one. Okay, so you have age is equal to root over A square minus B square by 4. Okay, and area is B by 4 root over 4A square minus B square. So this is the short forms. You can apply these formulas in your examinations. Okay, and this is the problem. So friends, that's all for today. If you really like my videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.